Are you looking for the best rowing machine to help you achieve your fitness goals on the market and latest model? Check out our top 5 picks. These machines are sure to give you a great workout, and they're all available at great prices. So what are you waiting for? So, let's get started with the list. List number: Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Magnetic Rowing Machine. The SF-RW5515 is a smart rower with an LCD console, patented magnetic resistance dial, and easy storage wheels. With an integrated monitor, you can view time, count, calories, total count, and scan to track fitness goals. The SF-RW5515 is one of the largest rowers in our smart fitness line. At an impressive 48 inches in slide rail length and 44 inches in inseam length, it can accommodate rowers nearly any size. With 8 levels of magnetic resistance, your workout will remain challenging and effective through every workout goal you pursue. The LCD display console provides you with time, count, calories burned, total count, and scan functions to track your fitness goals. List number: Echelon Smart Rowing Machine. The foldable rowing machine is designed to challenge your body's cardio capacity and strength to help you get a total body workout that challenges you in all the right ways. Its sophisticated engineering, intelligent design, and rotating console make this machine an easy glide seat that you can set up to any level of intensity, or just appreciate the ease of motion of its ability to stand up when you're done. Plus, it comes with built-in wheels so you can move wherever you want with ease. Built-in wheels means there's no need to drag the rower to and from your workout. The foldable design makes storing it easy, while its sophisticated engineering and rotating console hold your tablet or smartphone so you can stay focused on your goal. Whether it's fat burning, muscle building, or cardiovascular endurance training, this ergonomic, lightweight rower has everything you need for an effective row workout. List number: Yosuda Magnetic Rowing Machine 350-pound weight capacity. Yosuda's magnetic rowing machine 350-pound weight capacity is a perfect choice for gym, office, home, and hospital. The Yosuda Magnetic Rowing Machine 350-pound weight capacity is an excellent exercise for everyone who wants to tone their body and increase their fitness. Our magnetic resistance system create an amazingly smooth and nearly silent rowing motion that is easy to use, perfect for home or the gym. We chose a high-density double-layer design to provide you with maximum comfort, safety, and durability of our product. It's made of high-quality materials that last for years of use. You can adjust the incline, which makes it easy to exercise at varying levels of intensity. The flywheel can be adjusted to provide you a comfortable rowing motion that simulates ocean rowing or sprint rowing. The ergonomic seat cushion provides support and comfort for your legs to avoid leg pump during the workout. The large water tank ensures long workout time. List number: Merak Bluetooth Magnetic Rower Machine. Enter the world of rowing with the Meracon MT750. This magnetic resistance rower is easy to use, quiet, and stable enough for almost any body shape or fitness level. The dual slide rail design is made for comfort and stability on every stroke. The app allows you to customize your workouts and see how you're progressing over time, so you can really get the most out of your exercise routine. It's simple to operate, so even first-timers can row effortlessly without assistance. Our app offers various free courses and programmed exercises for you. Taking the courses can bring your rowing experience to the next level. You can conveniently measure and check your workout data, distance, time, calories burned, speed, heart rate, cadence, and other info by app. The maximum weight of 350 pounds allows more exerciser to achieve their fitness goals. List 5. Topium Water Rower Rowing Machine. Topium Water Rowing Machine is made of oak solid wood instead of MDF or OSB, which has excellent durability and stability to support 400 pounds max load. The Time 500 meters is a very useful pacing tool. It gives you real-time feedback on whether you are on track to achieve your finish time goal. It will give the user an accurate chart of how many strokes they need to make in order to reach their goal. According to a study from the English Institute of Sport, the rowing machine uses 86% of the muscles in your body, proper rowing technique and form helps you to achieve the best workout while swimming, cycling, or walking. The rowing machine uses 86% of the muscles in your body, making it a great cardiovascular workout. Rowing regularly can help increase your stamina and endurance while improving your overall cardiovascular health.